Hello sports fans, welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. Today we're going to go on an adventure. So I did put the cargo hitch on with the 4-inch extender there. I can't believe that's 4 inches. I'm going to measure it. It says with 4-inch rise right on the top, so we'll see. Whew, it sun's a little brutal on my back. It's about 2 hours before sunset. Anyway, we're going to go out, do a little exploring, and see how that cargo hitch does on the back. Why not? Maybe bring back some firewood. So I did bring a shovel and some leather gloves just in case. And I've got the top down. It's, I don't know, maybe 70-ish, low 60s or high 60s. But part of the reason I'm heading out today, not only was I planning on driving and doing some exploring in the forest roads, but a buddy of mine took a hike today. He's about 2 miles south of me, near the freeway, which I don't understand by a lot of other campers. I understand his friend campers, but not being around all those other campers right off the main road and near the freeway. But nonetheless, he sent me a picture saying only a 4-wheel drive could make it up this. So I always like a challenge, and we're going to check it out. If it's something I think I could do, we'll give it a try. So how about the angle of the sun? About an hour and a half till sunset. Just came down that beautiful forest road. This thing, any 2-wheel drive can make it down and come out here in the camp. Now, I'm gonna try and get a better picture of this. This on the map shows the similar type of forest road, but you can see obviously not maintained. I'll try to get a better photo without the sun glare in a minute. So that was the wrong turnoff. A little bit further down, this is the right forest road turnoff, and this is more like what I expected. So we're gonna be going to the right here. That other road was the pipeline road. That's the one I'm gonna be getting onto later that my buddy said I need 4-wheel drive on. Check this out, just after turning, it's an old water tank. Probably been years since that thing's been moved. And I'm guessing it's got a couple of pools here, been here a while, which I'm guessing are for cattle. And I guess they use that to fill up the cattle pools there. Interesting. So they did some major deforestation, cutting down a lot of trees. But check out this. And it goes up on the hill there too. Let me get you a close-up of these white little things. I'm guessing that's where they planted little new pine trees? I don't know. If so, then they sure planted a ton of them. Maybe they don't expect them all to come out. I don't know. Maybe somebody out there knows. What are those white cones? Here I am just a couple 100 yards down the road. Came up on a hill. Gonna be brutal on the sun. But what a gorgeous view. Somebody in a side-by-side out for a hike, I guess. But we're talking acres and acres, dozens of these white cone things. I got to know, what are they? Well, that was a fun trip. We're still on the main forest road. This is pretty much going east down the pipeline road. You can see this says warning gas pipeline. Caution high pressure gas line. But I'm gonna blind you in the sun and show you the way we're going. That away. Class A RV up there, so no getting that far at the top of the hill shouldn't be a problem. Blinded by the light. Sorry about the hand, but I gotta block out that sun. So there's the road, and going up that hill does look pretty steep, but if it's like this one in front of me and not too rocky, we should be okay. We'll see. All right, folks, I'm gonna give it a go. I know I'll make it to the bottom. Sorry, I gotta block out that sun. So I know this probably doesn't look it. Let's see. See if I can get a, nope. Okay, don't try this in your bug at home, kids. Worst I could do is not make it and have to take this little trail at the bottom to the left. We made it, folks. I did a little spin-in for a second at the top, but the bug made it. And let's hope it's all easy from here. Somehow, I'm not sure. I know, another blurry photo, but that's where we're headed. There's the main forest road, so it's all downhill to me. Now coming up this, I don't know. Made it up that other one. I went and walked that. Those rocks are loose and huge. Okay, one hill standing in my way. You need not a 4-wheel drive vehicle, but a high clearance 4-wheel drive vehicle. Turn around and see if we can get back some other way. So back the way we came. Somewhere there at the bottom, before we're going back up the hill, shows a forest road. That's where we're gonna head to next then. So at the bottom of the hill, it showed a forest road. I literally just cut through the trees behind me there. But lo and behold, I came across the road. This should take us out to visit a friend that's a grumpy old man. So look what I just drove by. A road closed sign. You'd think they would have put one of those on the other end of the road. Oh well. And we made it to the main forest road. Oh, horses. So now, somewhere in the distance there, one of those camps, I think I even see my buddy. I just think this is amazing. I mean, they know what they're doing. They're clearing out the forest to help prevent a massive forest fire that we do get up here in northern Arizona. But man, look at all the, getting attacked by a mosquito. Look at all the trees. But when I drove by here a couple days ago, they had, there we go, a wood chipper. So I guess they just wood chipped the heck out of it. Then, thanks. Then loaded up in a truck. Well, I made it back and look who's happy to see me. Yeah, aren't you? So, got just a little dirt and mud around it, not too bad. What you thinking, Ninja? You know what I love is that's pretty much to the east. To the west of me, it's actually dark, but the sun is just hitting those clouds to make it light over here. Compared to the sun's already behind the trees, you can't really see it. So I hope you had a good time going and doing some off-roading adventure with me. It's a shame we couldn't do that one hill, but I'll tell you, it was steep and rocky. If it was smooth dirt, as steep as it was, I could have made it, but those rocks were atrocious. I mean, I wouldn't want to take my four-wheel drive 4Runner that I used to have up on that. Anyway, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, subscribe so you get alerts anytime I post a new video, which is about every day or two. So go out there and be positive, be nice, be active. From Ninja and I, we bid you adieu.